Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you as fast as I can an introduction to GoFundMe, GoFundMe.com, a place where you can crowdfund pretty much for anything. If you've got something where you need to raise money for, or you've got some sort of endeavor that you want to follow, you can ask your friends and family in your community and network to donate a little bit of money towards it. I've specifically thought about this today because obviously I'm seeing things with coronavirus and families are going to be struggling, especially if you've been asked to stay home from work and you're not getting paid. Uh, so there's nothing wrong with asking your friends and family to help out. There's people like me who are making money online. I can carry on working. So if I can help people, I will as well. And I've been thinking with Happy Me, I'm going to start sharing some people's GoFundMe pages to try and help them get whatever they need. So what I'll do is I'll put, if you look in the list, in the description, I always put itemized places where each lesson starts. I'll put a free training course together as well. But in this video, you'll get everything you need. But in the description, I'll put where every lesson starts, the time-wise. So you can jump past things that you don't need to know, right? What's great now, what I'll do is I'll do this once every year to update people on how it works. If you pause me now and tell me what you're here, what you're looking to do, and what information you're trying to get out of this video, I'll comment with you, because if it's not in the video, I'll send you to a place that will show you the information, or I'll just reply, or I'll create a video for you. So tell me why you're here. Pause me now. Tell me why you're here. And finally, if I give you any, if this gives you any help, a subscription or a subscribe would be amazing, and we'll get into it.